Hey everyone, this is Reed. I thought I'd show you some of the gardening stuff I got going on here outside. I don't have everything planted yet, but a bunch of stuff is coming up from last year. Now these are daylilies. They're actually edible. They make tubers that look like fingerling potatoes, but these aren't old enough to make that yet. I don't want to have them not established, but got them in at the very end of last year. However, their blossoms before they open are supposed to be quite tasty, kind of like okra. We're going to give them a shot once they get to that stage. This is what these one looks on. Let me show you some of the other stuff. Now over here in this area, we have my sunchokes. As you can see, they're taking over the area quite well. On this side, we actually have a different variety of sunchoke, and I barely got them planted really late at the end of last year. And amazingly, we got some coming back. Really happy to see that. Now sunchokes are a little invasive. They sort of take over areas, but they produce nice, tasty tubers. So there's something good to check out. Maybe you can try growing some. Now here, if you don't water them, they die. So for me, I can control these things pretty well. Plus, also if they get outside their containment area, the rabbits think they are tasty. So that's my sunchokes. Hopefully, they look pretty good. I'll show you some more photos and video of these things once they get big, because boy, they get big. I'm 6 feet tall and they get quite a bit taller than me. Over here, I got some of my potatoes. I've got 2 little potato beds I've got set up. And these ones are just the potatoes I left in the ground from last year after digging everything up. And looks like I got some coming back. Never tried that before, just leaving some behind and see what happens. But it looks like I'm gonna get something. Then over here are some of the other ones. I already got some coming up pretty darn good on this side. Got some over here. Such. Might have to just add a few. But at the moment, not bad. Not bad at all. Over here's one of my cherry trees I put in last year. And it came back really nice. Really got bigger. So that's sort of the stuff hanging around right now. Let me go show you something else. Okay, we got onions, garlic over in here, got some beets that went through, various things, sugar beets and such. Got more garlic and onions over here. Oh, sorry, just onions. Here's a bunch of garlic. Looks like I need some water in here and such. These actually just grow throughout the entire winter, just happily just keep going. Well, there's a quick video for you. Just some gardening stuff got going on. As I get everything put into the ground and such, there'll be lots more gardening videos and I'll tell you all about what I'm doing. Hope you have a nice day, everyone. Take care. Read out for now.